A perverted man lives beneath a girl's apartment, and every night he makes piercing noises, driving the girl crazy. Inevitably, your unlucky friends end up watching together. Recently, the most reckless of the brothers received a message. A girl said that every night she hears these harsh noises, which are driving her to a mental breakdown. To prove her claim, she sent a video. After watching the video, they felt that this guy was really suspicious, so the two of them decided to go check it out for themselves. An hour later, they arrived at the girl's house. After talking for a while, they could tell the girl was completely exhausted. The man with glasses asked the girl if she had checked her basement, but she said she had already searched it thoroughly multiple times and couldn't find anything unusual. Still determined to find the source of the noise, the brothers decided to go down to the basement to investigate.
What's in this room, bro?
Unexpectedly, the two of them discovered that there was a huge opening underground. What kind of force could possibly break open such a large gap in the wall? The aura coming from that opening made them feel a chill down their spines. After setting up the camera, the two hurriedly left. After coming back up, Curly told the girl that he had already set up cameras in every room. Since it was late at night, they decided to go back to their rooms to sleep and wait until the next evening to check the footage. For the time being, everything seemed normal in the middle of the night. Suddenly, a chilling sound was heard, and a grotesque, half-human, half-thin monster appeared on the screen. The creature was constantly swimming underground in the surveillance footage, but in the next second, it vanished. The next morning, the three of them gathered early to watch the recording from the previous night. The monster in the video sent chills down the spines of the three people, and this creature actually crawled out from a gap in the ground. To block the monster, they used a huge wooden board to seal the opening shut, thinking that this would make the monster give up. So, the two told the girl not to be afraid, and that they would stay here for another night to see if the monster would show up again. 5 hours later, the monster really did come back. Seeing the gap in the wall sealed, the monster kept pounding on it, venting its frustration. When it realized it couldn't get through, it started ramming the ceiling instead. But then, in the very next second, the girl's cries for help woke up the two brothers. They rushed to the girl's room, and together they quickly left the house. Fortunately, all three of them managed to escape the monster's clutches, and while in the car, Curly Hair also confirmed that his sister's legs were indeed long and shapely.